Dear friends, every Christmas, millions of geese appear on tables across Europe. But have you ever wondered how these geese are raised and processed to meet the festive demand? Discover the amazing statistics and unique technology in Trending Farm's latest farming documentary. Goose farming in Europe has deep historical roots, dating back to medieval times when geese were prized for their meat, fat, and feathers. Over the centuries, they have become an integral part of festive feasts, with Christmas driving the highest demand for goose meat. Germany, Hungary, and France are leaders in goose farming, taking advantage of rich agricultural traditions and vast grazing areas. According to official reports in farming documentaries, Europe produces more than 250,000 tons of goose meat annually. With 70% of farms using free-range grazing methods across vast agricultural lands. Geese thrive on open pastures, requiring ample grazing land to forage for grass, herbs, and small insects, which form a significant part of their natural diet. European farmers often choose natural farming methods, prioritizing free-range environments to enhance meat quality and animal welfare. These methods align with consumer preferences for sustainable and ethically raised products. On average, geese require about 0.5 hectares of grazing land per 100 birds, ensuring sufficient space for healthy growth. Incorporating modern farming technology, such as automated feeders and pasture management systems, further supports efficiency. Farming documentaries often showcase how this blend of tradition and innovation benefits both farmers and the environment, elevating the quality and value of European goose products. Geese have specific nutritional needs that change as they grow, requiring a balanced diet of protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Farmers in Europe ensure these needs are met by combining free-range grazing with grain-based feeds, such as corn and wheat. Goslings are typically fed a high-protein starter diet, while adult geese graze freely and are supplemented with grain. EU agricultural reports indicate that a goose consumes around 5 to 7 ounces of feed per day, in addition to what they forage on the pasture. You can easily find information in farming documentaries about European farmers using sustainable methods, such as rotational grazing and nutrient-rich feeds. Ensure high-quality meat and farm responsibly. In many farming documentaries, European farmers typically harvest goose eggs in the early morning, collecting them directly from nesting areas on farms. Goose egg production peaks in spring, with each bird laying about 30 to 50 eggs per season, significantly fewer than chickens or ducks. These eggs are larger, heavier, and have thicker shells, making them ideal for specialty culinary uses. According to shared practices, eggs are marked, stored at cool temperatures, and regularly turned to maintain quality before incubation. Large-scale goose incubation involves industrial incubators designed to precisely control temperature, humidity, and airflow. The process begins by placing eggs in trays inside the incubator, which maintains a temperature of 99.5 deg for forced air systems or 100.5 deg for still air systems, with humidity starting at 30%. Eggs are automatically turned several times a day to simulate natural conditions. Farmers monitor the air chambers and adjust settings during the 28 to 35-day incubation period. In this farming documentary, European farmers emphasize these investments as crucial to producing healthy goslings efficiently and sustainably. European farmers take meticulous care of their goslings to ensure their healthy development. After hatching, the goslings are kept in a warm, controlled environment for 24 to 48 hours, allowing them to settle. Farmers provide clean water and a high-protein starter feed to support rapid growth. Regular veterinary checks monitor their health, ensuring vaccinations and preventative treatments. David, a goose farmer in Germany, prioritizes clean coops, optimal humidity, and gradual exposure to outdoor grazing areas, promoting the health of the goslings and preparing them for free-range living. Once the geese are ready for processing, European farmers ensure humane transportation to food plants. The geese are placed in ventilated crates that provide at least 0.8 square feet of space per bird, as recommended by EU animal welfare guidelines. Goose processing in modern food plants is highly automated with advanced production lines designed for efficiency and high-quality output. These plants invest millions of dollars in state-of-the-art equipment, such as automated plucking machines, offal processing systems, and packaging machines. The process begins with a thorough health check, followed by cleaning and portioning. The goose fat and liver are separated and processed into specialty products. Experienced workers, often with years of training, oversee each stage, ensuring strict hygiene and quality standards. According to industry reports in many farming documentaries, investment in automation and skilled labor has increased productivity by up to 30% while maintaining meat quality. The Duroc pig, a breed celebrated for its astonishing weight gain and superb meat quality, has truly become a cornerstone in the bustling food factory of the Corn Belt and farms throughout the eastern United States. With coats ranging from rich brown to deep red, powerful, muscular builds and legs built for strength. These pigs are not only impressive to behold, but are also remarkably resilient. Their adaptability to different climates is just one reason why Durocs have captured the attention of farmers everywhere. On these farms, carefully designed layouts featuring barns, rotational grazing areas, and solid fencing create a sustainable, nurturing environment for the Durocs to thrive. Outdoors, their natural hardiness is maximized, supported by seasonal touches like cozy winter shelters and cooling summer ventilation, which ensure they grow with ease and comfort. Known for their marbled, flavorful meat, a striking 58 to 58% of their body weight. Duroc's efficient feed conversion and consistent quality make them a favorite among American farmers. In every way, the Duroc pig contributes to a reliable, richly satisfying supply of pork, keeping it at the heart of America's pig farms. Durocs thrive on a balanced diet that fuels their growth and enhances meat quality. These pigs grow from birth to a remarkable processing weight of 250 pounds in just 3.5 months. Farmers ensure their diets are diverse and nutritious, typically including grains and vegetables, avoiding meat products to keep them safe from infections. This fast growth rate not only meets production demands but allows farmers to keep their operations sustainable and cost-effective. Feeding is carefully planned, with each meal ensuring that the pigs grow healthy, lean, and ready for market, making every bite of Duroc pork rich in flavor and nutrition. The health of each Duroc pig is the focus of every farmer's day. These pigs are naturally hardy, with a strong resistance to common diseases, but farmers take every precaution to keep them healthy. One essential aspect is providing opportunities for mud bathing in a natural environment. This instinctive behavior cools the pigs on hot days and protects their skin from sunburn and biting insects. The mud also creates a natural barrier against external parasites. Such as lice and ticks, reducing the need for chemical treatments. In the eastern United States, where summers can be intense, mud bathing not only supports their comfort but also promotes a more natural, holistic approach to disease prevention and health management. On Mississippi farms, the life cycle of each Duroc pig is meticulously managed to ensure optimal growth, health, and comfort from birth. Sows or mother pigs typically give birth to about a dozen piglets, each weighing around 2 to 3 pounds. Farmers monitor and nurture the piglets closely, providing the right nutrition and care to support their rapid development. After a few weeks, the piglets are weaned and transitioned into specialized feeding programs designed to maximize their growth rates. Within approximately 3.5 months, each Duroc pig reaches a robust market weight of around 250 pounds. This efficient growth cycle aligns with the needs of American farmers, as the Duroc breed matures quickly yet naturally, producing high-quality pork with a consistent, predictable output. For Mississippi's pork producers, the breed's rapid cycle and dependable performance make it a valuable choice, allowing them to keep up with market demands while maintaining high standards of animal welfare. Once Durocs reach processing weight, farms adhere to humane and efficient handling protocols. The transport process is calm and stress-free, with handlers trained to move pigs gently to avoid stress, which can affect meat quality. During loading and unloading, handlers use low-stress techniques, avoiding the use of electric prods. As recommended by the USDA and the National Pork Board, which require humane handling under the Transport Quality Assurance (TQA) program. Regulations also require specific stocking densities to provide pigs with adequate space and airflow, which is important for maintaining their comfort. These practices ensure both animal welfare and high-quality pork products, meeting industry standards for ethical and efficient transport. Inside the food factory, the focus shifts to preserving the unique qualities of Duroc pork. The rich marbling, deep red color and tender texture of Duroc meat are carefully maintained. Ensuring that each piece of meat is as flavorful as possible. The food factories operate efficiently, minimizing waste so that almost every part of the pig can be used. The machinery in every step in the food factory is meticulously and scientifically designed to maximize the extraction of Duroc pork. Although the equipment is similar to that of other pig breeds, thanks to the Duroc's ideal balance of fat and lean muscle. This pig yields around 72% of its weight as usable meat, more than many other breeds. We were surprised by this figure, which is certainly an impressive output for a food factory. What do you think? Quality control is the final, crucial step before Duroc pork reaches the consumer. Food factoids inspect each piece, ensuring that only the highest quality meat makes it to market. Once packaged, Duroc pork is shipped across the country to grocery stores, restaurants, and family tables. It's a satisfying moment for both farmers and processors, knowing that all their hard work has culminated in products that people trust and love. Every package of Duroc pork tells the story of American agriculture, from the quiet fields where it grazes to the bustling markets where it's sold. Have you ever owned a Duroc? What has your experience with them been like? Or are you just starting to consider your options? If so, do Durocs seem like they could find a place on your property? After watching this video, let Trending Farm know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos about the exciting world of pet options you may not have known about until next time. Remember, there are no limits to adapting and learning.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.